Hi guys, welcome back our YouTube channel Fashion Fables. If you are new my channel, so please like this video and subscribe my channel Fashion Fables. Today we are on an existing journey to find the ultimate dream dress. Whether it's for a wedding, prom or any special occasion, the perfect dress is out there waiting for you. Let's dive in. Finding the perfect dress can be a magical experience. It's all about knowing what makes you feel confident and beautiful. Let's talk about the key steps to discovering your dream dress. Step 1. Understand your style. Are you into classic elegance, bohemian chic, or modern glam? Knowing your personal style will help narrow down your choices. For example, if you love vintage vibes, look for dresses with lace and timeless. Remember, your dream dress should reflect your personality. Don't be afraid to express yourself through your choice. Step 2. Choose the right color. The color of your dress can make a huge difference. Consider shades that complement your skin tone. If you are unsure, natural colors like blush, navy, and universally flattering. Don't forget to think about the occasion too. For formal events, deeper tones might be more, while lighter shades are perfect for daytime celebration. Step 3. Get the right fit. It's essential that your dress fits like a glove. Working with a professional consultant can help ensure you find a dress that flatters your body shapes. Absolutely, each body is unique and the right fit can enhance your best features. Remember to consider alternation as well. A little tailoring can make a world of difference. Don't settle for anything less than perfect. A well-fitted dress will not only look amazing but also feel comfortable. Step 4. Trust your intuition. When you find the right dress, you will just know. It's that moment when you look in the mirror and feel that spark. Trust yourself and go with what makes you feel like the best version of you. It's not just about how you look, but how you feel. Confidence is the most beautiful accessory you can wear. Finding your dream dress is a journey worth taking. Remember to enjoy every moment from browsing through rags to the final fitting. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more fashion tips and inspiration. Until next time, happy dress hunting. Stay stylish and keep dreaming.